Welcome to the EdbMails Exchange to IMAP Migration, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails Exchange migration software migrates mailbox data from Exchange servers to IMAP servers, making it suitable for organizations transitioning their email systems. Users can transfer emails, folders, etc. from various Exchange server versions, including 2019, 2016, 2013, 2010, and 2007, to platforms like Gmail, Zoho, Zimbra, Icewarp, cPanel, and Rackspace. With advanced features like incremental data transfer and automatic mailbox mapping, the migration process becomes quick and straightforward. Users can enjoy the flexibility of selective data migration, allowing them to choose exactly what to transfer, while concurrent mailbox migration enables multiple mailboxes to be moved simultaneously. Additionally, the customized target folder selection feature ensures that data is organized precisely as desired. With EdbMails, Exchange to IMAP migration is a smooth and reliable experience. Now, let's look at the step-by-step process for Exchange to IMAP migration. Download EdbMails from the official website. Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File. Complete the installation process on your system. Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select the Live Exchange Migration option from the drop-down list. Click Let's Go. Select the Source Connection option. Click Next. Connect to Source Exchange Server. Select Exchange Server version. Click Login. Select the required option to load the mailboxes. Click Continue. Select the mailboxes you want to migrate from the Source Exchange server. Now click the Migrate to IMAP button to connect with your target IMAP server. Click the Select Host Name button. Select the appropriate host name for your target IMAP server. Click Continue. Enter the email address and password. If you're connecting to Gmail account, create app password and use it here. Click Login. Select the required mapping option. Click Continue. EdbMails automatically maps mailboxes between the source and target servers. You can apply filters for folders and items. For example, migrate only items within a specific date range. Additionally, filter by sender and recipient's address, attachment names, and read-unread status. You can exclude standard or custom folders. Click Save. Click Continue. Give a name for migration job. Click Continue to initiate the migration process. Migration operation under progress. Upon migration completion, you will get the migration completion message. Click the View Log button to get migration reports. That's it. For a hassle-free exchange to IMAP migration, visit edbmails.com today.